Greetings, everybody. It is I, your friend, the Midlife YouTuber. That's right. I want you to take a moment and enjoy this amazing Hawaiian shirt that I'm wearing. I bought at Buc-ee's in Virginia. That's right. There's a fly buzzing around my head inside my house. So, I'm going to tell you something negative. Gasp. No, I'm a positive guy, and I always give you positive messages. That's who I am. And this isn't really a negative thing because it's an honest thing. It's a truthful thing. It is a learning thing. And I'm going to go into something. I'm not even going to say it's a mistake that I made because I tried something, and trying something is never really a mistake. But it's something that I did, and I learned, hey, this doesn't work, which could make someone angry because I heard it from one of the supposed YouTube gurus, and it turns out it's completely bullshit. And I'm going to tell you exactly what that is. But first, that's right, you know it's coming. I want to ask everybody to please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you know people who like amazing Hawaiian shirts, epic beards, or just guys who like to spout on about YouTube and happiness and joy and mental health, well, please share this video with them. And why would I ask you to do that? Because sharing is caring. That's right. Okay, so about a month ago, going through doing my usual research, checking stuff out, looking for topics for new videos, and also learning and trying to grow my channel and trying to get more viewers, always trying to get more viewers, always trying to get more subscribers. That's something that you never ever stop doing. It's something you'll never stop. So I'm going through and I'm watching video after video, and I'm watching the experts and the gurus, and I'm watching other people similar to myself who are kind of starting out, people that are a little bit ahead of me. And I'm very active in a couple communities on the school platform. Absolutely fantastic. Probably the best decision I've made doing the YouTube stuff. I get so much phenomenal advice, and I've met so many incredible people. But doing all that's just part of my day. Every day, couple hours every day. There's research, there's watching other people's videos, there's writing down ideas and notes and scripting, and then, there's another couple hours that I make the videos and edit and all that stuff. But I came across this video, and this guy, this expert, this guru, someone that I'm subscribed to, that I follow, he goes on this thing and he says, this is a great way, and you're going to increase your viewership, and you're going to get more subscribers, and you're going to get more viewers than you've ever had before. You're going to get 100,000 subscribers easy, and you're going to get millions of views. And it's just this one simple trick, and all you have to do is go and do this one thing. All right, I'm not an idiot. I know that there's not one thing that I can change that's going to get me millions of viewers and subscribers. It's a marathon, not a sprint. My viewership goes up, my membership goes up. Well, membership, I don't have members. My subscribers go up because stuff like that. That's cool. It's growing. I'm happy with it. But I like watching these videos because, hey, maybe I did something wrong. Maybe when I set stuff up, it's quite possible. I am new at this, 2 months old in this. So I'm constantly watching these videos to see if maybe I did something wrong, or maybe there's definitely things that I could do better. So I want to check it all out. I want to learn as much as possible. And this guy says that what you have to do is, when you upload your videos, do not make them public right away. I said, okay, that's kind of weird. He says, put it on private for at least 3 days. And this gives the algorithm the time to go. I bought into this so much, I actually made a video saying the same bullshit. So I did it. So I made a video, and I put it on private, and I left it there for 3 days. And then after 3 days, I uploaded the video. Now, his reasoning was that for the more successful YouTubers, YouTube has to scrub every video. They have to check every video to make sure that there's not something horrible on it. Because there are disgusting people in the world who do disgusting things, and they want to make sure that no one's posting up something horrible on YouTube. Good for them. I completely agree with that. And they say that the bigger YouTubers are going to get priority. And that makes sense to me. If someone's getting 1 million views and I'm getting 10, well, sure. You want to take care of the guy getting 1 million views first. I understand that. And they say this way, if you wait 3 days before you publish a video, it's going to take the time for them to go through the video, and gives them 3 days to do it. And then the algorithm is more likely to pick you up and send you out to more people. And I thought about it, and I thought, hey, it makes sense. In fact, I thought it made so much sense that I made a video about it. And I did it. Didn't do a fucking thing. That video, not only did it not get more views than my others, it may have gotten less. Now, that may be the subject matter of the video. It may be the way the algorithm picked it up. But yeah, so that was absolute bullshit. Now, does it make me mad? No, not in the least. I needed to try something, and I still need to try things. And I did it. I tried it. It didn't work. Okay, no problem. So now we move on to the next thing, and the next thing, and the next thing. If I have to go through 100 of these different things before the algorithm really picks up on me, then that's fine. Because not only did I learn something that didn't work, but now I am learning more things that do work. Because I knew that's not the end-all be-all, and I have to try other things. So now I try other things. It's not a failure in any stretch of the imagination. It's just something that didn't work. And you know what? I'm grateful for learning the things that don't work, because now I can focus more on the things that do work. So now I don't let my videos sit. But one thing that it really got me doing was batching my videos a little bit more and setting my videos to come out to stagger them. You know, like, for example, this fantastic Hawaiian shirt. You're going to see this shirt at the end of next week, assuming that you watch the videos religiously when they come out. But, yeah, I mean, all my shirts you're going to see several times because I only have so many. But I made 2 videos today, and I have one scheduled to come out at the end of the week, and one scheduled to come out today. The reason that I started doing that with this other guy's method was because I was making a video every day. And if I'm making a video every day, then how do I let a video sit for like 2 or 3 days? So I have to make 2 videos. So I started making 2 videos every day instead of 1 video. So which forced me to write a little bit more. But now here's the crazy part. Now that I'm doing 2 videos a day, I'm stretching myself out further and further. I'm not doing a video every day. Now I'm doing 3 a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday is my plan. And if I do 2 today, that takes care of, say, Monday, Wednesday. And then I do 2 on Wednesday, that takes care of Friday, Monday. Then I do 2 on Friday, that takes care of Friday and the following Monday. So I'm always going to be ahead of the schedule. And that's where I'm at right now. Great place to be, because if I ever get sidetracked, I already have videos going on. If something ever happens, I have videos scheduled to come out. And the best part about having a bunch of videos scheduled to come out in the future, I can always change that schedule. So puts me ahead of the curve. So that's something that I learned from that mistake. And that's really all that matters. You know, you try something, it doesn't work, you try something else. But in the trying and the, I'm not going to say failing, but when you try something and you find out that it doesn't work, if you can learn one thing from that, not just, hey, well, now I know this doesn't work, but I learned more about batching my videos to jump myself ahead, then that's an absolute win for me. So, you know, I also found out, too, going through a bunch of other videos from this alleged guru, that I've found quite a few videos that he does things like this, where he makes it seem like this is the end-all be-all. I mean, all of us do that. Try this one trick, and it's going to change everything. And, you know, this one hack gets you, guaranteed to get you 1,000 subscribers. It's all bullshit, and you know it's bullshit when you check it out. But, hey, if that one trick does get you a couple more subscribers, a couple more views, or maybe it opens you up to the algorithm a little bit more, then, hey, you didn't lose anything. And really, just trying anything, you're not losing anything anyway. So just keep that in mind. Keep trying, keep growing, keep doing. Doesn't matter. Just make one video after another. Try to make each video a little bit better than the one before it. 1% is my goal. Every video, if I can do 1% better every video, like I've made over 50 videos now in 2 months. So I've learned a lot. I've learned so much. I've learned that I'm never going to be perfect. My videos are never going to be perfect, but I don't want them to be perfect. So I've never seen a perfect video. I see videos where the people may be a little more planned out. Their thoughts may be hashed out a little bit more. Their background might be a little bit cleaner. But that's fine, man. I'm great with where I'm at. So I want you just to be aware that there's a lot of bullshit out there, that a lot of people are spewing out of their mouths and saying stuff that isn't really going to get you anywhere, but try it anyway. At the end of the day, what does it take you? A couple minutes to try something? Great, try it, do it. You see it doesn't work, move on. No big deal. Maybe that one thing is going to help you out a little bit. Maybe you get that 1% out of watching that video and trying something else. So, hey, at the end of the day, no such thing as a loss. The only way to lose is if you quit. And we're not going to quit. So just keep going, man. So I'm the Midlife YouTuber, reminding you to catch out your reel, catch your first fish, do that thing. Have yourself a great day. All right? I appreciate you. I care about you. I love you. Have a good one.